Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the poem The Chimney Sweeper, which was published in the volume Songs of Innocence in 1789. In this poem, poet is critical of the miserable and pathetic situation of chimney sweepers. So, poem starts with a small child who is the speaker of the poem. He says that when his mother died, he was very young, and his father sold him to chimney sweep to clean the chimneys at such a young age when he could hardly pronounce the word sweep. So he would rather say weep, weep rather than saying sweep, sweep. So he cleans the chimneys and he sleeps in the soot because his body gets covered in the black substance, which he finds inside the chimneys. There is a little Tom Decker. Now he's talking about his fellow chimney sweeper, Tom Decker, whose head is getting shaved and is crying, and his head is getting shaved the way lamb's back, gets shaved, and he's compared to lamb because he's also innocent like lamb. So this small child tries to console him by saying that don't mind because when your head is bare, then the black substance is not going to spoil his white hair, is not going to stick to his white hair. And then Tom Decker gets consoled and he stops crying. And at that night, he, saw a strange dream in which he saw thousands of sweepers, Dick, Joe, Ned, and Jack. They were locked up in the coffins of black. So, coffins of black here symbolizes the suit in which their bodies were covered. Okay, so this suit is being compared to coffins of black because some of the chimney sweepers died while doing that risky job, and that's why this suit is being compared to coffins of black. And then he sees an angel coming with a bright and shining key and opened the coffins and made them free. And then they reached to the green plain area where they started jumping, laughing, and enjoying and playing with each other. They washed themselves in the river and they were shining in the sun. So their bodies were naked and white because they had removed the suit which had covered their bodies, and they had left their bags behind. So these bags which they would carry to, collect the soot while cleaning the chimney. So they had left these bags behind. So they are playing with the clouds and the winds. And then Angel told Tom that if he would be a good boy, if he will do his job, sincerely and honestly without complaining, then he would have God by his side. He would have blessings of God, and he would never lack joy in his life. Never want joy means never lack joy in his life. And then Tom wakes up in the morning. He's inspired by this dream, and he carries his bag and his brushes, okay, in order to work. And he is of the view that if he does his job nicely without complaining, then he will have God's blessings. Okay, so if all do their duty, they need not fear harm. If they are doing their duty sincerely, then they don't need to fear from anybody, and they will have the blessings of God. And although the morning was cold, but he was feeling happy and warm. So the poem ends with the hope that Tom finds out that if he keeps on doing his work, then he will have the blessings of God. So he is in such an ignorant state because he doesn't know what future has in store for him.